This heavy-duty counterbalance gas forklift has a 5-tonne capacity. It has an industrial internal combustion gas-powered engine and comes with a KION Group automatic transmission with variable drive speeds as well as power steering and a digital display. An integral side shift comes as standard, and options include a container entry mast or standard clear view mast, as well as various lift height configurations. The 3-stage mast has hydraulic cylinder mast buffering and the ability to raise, lower and tilt. Plus, there's a handy 4th hydraulic valve to accommodate any extra attachments you have. Standard features on the KBG50S include a strong steel overhead guard, reverse beeper, LED lights, a flashing beacon and a seatbelt interlock system. Plus, a downward curved contoured counterweight on the back of the truck which dramatically improves rear visibility. Drivers will enjoy the ergonomically designed and spacious operator compartment that comes with an easy-to-use interface, suspension seat and individual hydraulic controls. And managers will appreciate its robust metal design, durable textured paint and solid puncture-proof tyres, which also come in pneumatic options. This affordable and reliable forklift is one of the hardest workers in the warehouse, and it's a great option that will help you handle your heavier indoor and outdoor material handling needs.